Hiring a SMACNA contractor can help your bottom line in several different ways. SMACNA contractors are the leader in the industry. They have access to many different tools, skilled labor force, training, and national and state organizations. All these things combined give you a talented workforce that's unsurpassed in any other industry.
Well, I consider SMACNA contractors to be the leaders of their industry. So they're really on top of their game. They set the standards. So they help general contractors in all phases of the project, from pre-construction through the warranty work.
A SMACNA contractor is going to assure that the material is going to be ordered on time, a solid crew is going to be there on time, and they're going to emphasize to their personnel, we've got a schedule, let's stick with it.
SMACNA in general sets the standards throughout the industry with the SMACNA manuals. Typically, all your architects and engineers, mechanical engineers, use SMACNA as their guidelines for their job. You want it done right the first time, and SMACNA contractors always put it in right the first time.
When the original job is not performed properly, the long-term costs are escalated. You have no idea how many times our SMACNA contractors have been called in to finish a project that was done by a low-cost contractor, substandard work, poor quality materials. When you come in to rework a project, it always costs 2 or 3 times more than it did the first time.
I think you have to really look at that question, whether is the lowest bid always the best bid. In today's world, buildings are terribly expensive. Building costs, permitting, energy consumption, and then just maintaining the building over many, many years. So when you hire a SMACNA contractor, he's looking at all these things. And when he puts that building together, that craftsmanship and quality comes through in the building. This translates into savings for the owner over time.
The higher skilled your people are, the lower your costs are going to be, because it doesn't take them as long, you don't have the rework, you don't have the safety issues.
SMACNA contractors are the leader in the industry in their safety rating. This translates to lower job costs for the customer.
Safety issues is a big concern as a general contractor. Nothing will shut a project down faster than an injury. We know that the SMACNA contractors have been all educated in that area, and they have regular safety meetings in that regard, and that's part of their best practices as well.
Workers' comp rates are lower, so your safety is better. Safety on the job is crucial to anybody.
Our employees are trained in first aid and CPR, OSHA 10-hour courses.
SMACNA contractors on construction sites benefit the entire site. 1, by safety, 2, by quality, and 3, by meeting schedules on time.
If someone asked my advice on whether to use a SMACNA contractor or not, it's a pretty easy answer. I would definitely go with the SMACNA contractors.
When you say the word SMACNA, you think of quality, you think of efficiency, you think of you know, the highest of standards. These guys are the best of the best trained, the ones that are at the forefront of the technology, and the ones that can get the job done and not have to go back and do it over again.